this is the adventures. As you know, we have this. We're gonna open it and see the parts.
Are there people inside?
Yes. Well,
How-
we might have to build them.
We might. How many years do you think they've been trapped in the box?
Probably about 3.
You want a knife?
No, I'm good. I'm
You
good.
can cut. Well, you found it.
Yep. Found it.
Would you like a big hammer?
No, that destroy it.
It would be open. No.
But it destroy it and we'd never get to
Oh.
build it.
Oh, there's some cool details on the side of the box where it tells about things. This is so exciting.
I can't. Okay, I need more scissors.
More.
Okay, that's enough.
So, who makes this model? Is this This is an Atlantis model. Here are all the relevant specifications
Alright, just
right there.
open it. Oh! Look at the tank. Wait, what's
Show
the
everybody.
cab?
Well, we have to build it. It's going to be different because it's a smaller size.
Whoa!
Yeah. It's a lot of parts.
Is it only one bag?
You know,
Only in the bag's already open.
no, it's not.
Yes, it is. Oh, it's
Yeah, don't open the bag up. I don't want to lose parts. Look at the decals. Tell everybody about what the decals are.
Oh. Get out of there.
Oh, look, we know the scale.
Wait, huh?
It's 1/48 scale.
Where? Oh, but look, so actually we don't have to use the black. Look, here and here.
See that?
Flammable. Actually, I don't use
Oh,
the
and there's
black.
the army stickers right there.
Yeah, actually, I want to use the black. I want to use the black.
Well, you can use all of them. That's so cool. There's going to be a lot of painting. There's the tendon and the engine smaller. So we got a lot to paint.
For me,
But it's cool.
I don't even know what to say about this.
Oh,
You
it looks
have
like
to
the
paint the
first assembly.
tires?
Uh-huh.
Are you serious?
have-
No.
Well, we have the right stuff to do that with.
Meh.
Look, there's a lot less instructions. There's probably fewer parts. Most of the time on this one's going to be spent with paint and painting to get all the details right.
Oh, this
What do you
is gonna be easy. It's gonna be like a level 1 model. Like, look at that,
Well, let's see what
It's gonna be level 1.
it might be a level 1. What does the front page say about its level? On here,
Where?
on the bottom, does it say anything about the level?
Toy and hobby.
Whoa, building is hobby. Nice.
Toy.
About this.
It's a toy.
Well, we're gonna have to come
Wait, I
up.
want to show mommy. I want to show mommy.
All right.
Sorry.
What do you tell everybody on your channel?
Thank you for watching.
What else do you say? This is the reveal video.
Of
We're
the
gonna post
US
it.
Army.
Yay!